Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome. Glad. Very glad to welcome you.
Wonderful to be here. Thank you so much.
Good morning. Good morning.
I'm not sure what the protocol is.
We don't know.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
receiving me.
Thank you
It's
for
nice.
being here.
How are you?
Good
Chief protocol that you've been in Europe for overwhelming, so extraordinary.
You've been in Europe for
So I'm grateful. And it's a thing.
This is the side entrance to the library. We're going out of the receipt Sakara.
This but it has a side to the Holy Father facing the camera.
You see. And
Because I don't speak English.
I wish I don't speak very well, so it's a thank you. Nice to
I must speak Italian.
We have our protocol team here. For the, we will, I will share with you and share with your team the meaning of this gift it has of peace and freedom and.
Poi ci dice riempiamo le mani di acqua.
La pace. Questa
Laudato Si, Fratelli Tutti, insomma. Questo è l'accordo che ho fatto con il grande imam. La medaglia dell'8° anno del pontificato.
Thank you.
Luce
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Pray for me. Pray for me.
Great pleasure and an honor. Thank you.
Thank you very much.